John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and we're going to take a look at Goldvarg's 1964 Impala SS Coupe. This is one we've been waiting for a while, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. Let's talk about Chevrolet design in the early 60s. 1964 was a transitional year for Chevrolet. The stunning 61 model made a clean break from the fins and chrome of the 50s. And the 62 Chevys upped that ante with their sleek and clean lines. The 63s, at least in my eye, were an improvement, but none of those styles prepared us for the 1964 Chevrolets. They screamed, "Things are changing." Where the previous 3 years seemed to be moving toward longer, lower, sleeker, the 64 had blunt ends, a grille that stood tall and proud, a blunt instrument against the wind. The rear quarters were equally upright, and despite the squared-off front and back ends, by using an accent line that ran the length of the car, an airy greenhouse, and nicely proportioned wheel cutouts, the design works, at least for me it does, and it manages to take a huge step forward, kind of prepares us for 1965. Goldvarg has recently introduced a two-door Impala Coupe with top-of-the-line SS trim, and it comes in two colors, Azure Aqua with aqua interior, and Lagoon Aqua Iridescent with a white roof and an aqua interior. Let's get them on the turntable and take a look at them. First thing you're going to notice on these models is finish. I know I've been bragging on the finish on Goldvargs for a while, but these are absolutely spectacular. And I think the color choices are really excellent here. The lighter aqua, the darker aqua, they were commonly seen on the street, but not in these combinations. And this is just a spectacular paint job. Let's get a close-up of that front end, and I've done this in the last couple videos, an extreme close-up, because I want you to see the detail. Look at the amber turn signals. Look at the detail on the license plate, the texture of the grille, and the lensing. The lensing is just super accurate. We're kind of in a new area for these types of small details that make the model pop. Same is true around the back of the car. The detail is extreme. Those taillights are just perfectly replicated. The Impala SS emblem is minute, but it's well detailed. The texture on the bumper, this is just a well done front and rear, which are the immediate identifiers for this model. The interior is a work of art all by itself. The dash is accurately replicated. Door panels, steering wheel, the seats, that SS interior with the bucket seats and the console shifter. Just a perfectly done interior as well. Very nicely done wheels with the SS emblem and the fins on the wheel covers, very accurately replicated. Look at that 409 sticker right there. It's just beautiful. The trim, it's just a great looking model, and it's the small details that really make it stand out. The models are selling for $99. I know I've said this before the last couple videos, but I tell you something, I always get an email saying, where can I find one? My dealer's out of them. If you want one, you got to move on it quickly. It's a great value, a fantastic value at $99. Contact either your dealer or Sergio right away if you want one. So that's Goldvarg's 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS Coupe. I hope you like it. It's a really nice looking model, another great interior. If you want one, you need to get a hold of either Sergio, and I'll give you the contact information, or your favorite dealer right away. These things go pretty quickly. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, would you give me a thumbs up, a like in the bottom right hand corner there? That really helps the channel, and the channel continues to grow. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. We've got a lot more videos coming down the pike.